In today's video, my favourite spicy mince, Thai style. Firstly, heat a large wok or pan on a medium heat and spray with low calorie cooking spray. Once the pan is up to temperature, add the carrot, onion, green beans, red pepper, garlic, chilli and stir fry this for 5 minutes until the veggies are almost nice and tender. Next we're going to add the lean beef mince and stir fry this until the beef mince is cooked through and no longer pink. Now add the fish sauce, coriander, chilli powder and cook this for 2 minutes. Don't forget, if you like what you see on our healthy food journey, please like and subscribe, and of course feel free to comment. Lastly, plate up your delicious spicy mince with a garnish of coriander, chopped chilli and a side of cooked rice.